Okay, welcome back to question number 5. Right, we're looking at this question number 5. Please bear with me, folks, as this question is quite difficult to do using the software at the moment. I'll just try my best. It says on the grid, enlarge the shape. Shape this one by a scale factor of 3, center A. So we need to draw lines from here going through each vertex, each corner, like this, like that, and like this. And so in order for us to enable us to draw our enlarged shape. So we've got the enlarge tool, we've got the line tool selected, so let's try it. So from there we need to go through this corner here. So from here, gone through that corner there, all the way onto up here. Now what we're going to do from the same center of enlargement, we're going to go through this corner, which we can go, and then from this one goes with that corner. Let's do the next one now. So we go. Okay, done. Now, it's going to be difficult to do both of these corners here because of the actual angle. I'm going to choose this corner here. I'm going to show you, even with 3 vertices hit, we should still be able to get our desired outcome. So we'll start again in the center. And you will be doing this with the ruler, accurately, taking your time. So I'm going to go through this corner here. Actually, what I'm going to do is, right. So I've gone through this corner instead rather than that one. That one was easier. So I'm going to get up the line tool and get onto back to the pencil. Right, so we have now gone to this corner here. We have gone through this corner here, and we have gone through this corner here. Okay, for the sake of argument, I'm not going to do this last one here. It's going to be very close. The lines are going to be quite difficult. I'm going to show you how we can still cope with the shape, even though we haven't done that side there. We will manage. Okay, here we go. Now, the best way for us to think about this question is we need to actually measure this distance here, and then triple it along here. We can measure this distance here and then triple it along here. We can measure this distance and triple it along here to get those points, and we can work out the last point quite easily. Now, that's how you do an examination. Measure, triple it, and that'll give you the new measurement here and put a dot. Measure this distance, triple it, and go along that line, that distance, and put a dot, and so on. I'm going to show you a way that we can do without measuring and getting more accurate results. So first of all, let's have a look where this is relative to this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across. So 5 across and 1 up. So we got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've gone up by 1 to get from here to the center. Now what we can do, we can enlarge these numbers instead by scale factor 3. So 5 times by 3 is 15. So we have now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. And now we're going to go up. That was 1 going up. It will go by 3. So 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Beautifully into the corner there. Beautifully. That's lovely. So this corner has been transformed to that corner. Excellent. Now, if I want to go from here to this next line up, okay, what we can do is we say, well, here, the original shape we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the height of 6. Now 6 times by 3 is equal. Why are we times by 3? Because the scale factor is 3. 6 times by 3 is 18. So I'll go 18 up from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's here. Don't worry, that one's not on the line because we haven't done the line for that anyway. So now we already got this corner has gone here, and that corner has gone to there. We just got this corner left now. Now from here, it was 2 up. Okay, now let's have a look. Where else is it? So let's have a look at the corner. How do we get this corner? Now, this corner is from here, it'll be 1, 2, 3 backwards. So from here it should be, so that 3 is the distance. Times that by 3 is 9. So from here is 9. So the new shape will be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Lovely. Right bang there in the corner. So now we've got these 2 corners here are over here. This corner here, which we didn't do with the line, is over here. Now we just need to go up and get this corner here. So from the original, 1, 2 up. Okay, and 2 times by 3, 6 from the new one. And go up by 6 here. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look at that. Beautifully into the corner there. Lovely. Really pleased with that result now. What we need to do now, we need to join up these points here. 1, now this up there, and we'll get the new shape. So let's go for that. So we get the joining tool. So we go to this one, and let's choose a blue. Blue into the line. Now, let's do nice and carefully. Let's make sure the line's nice and thick. Oops. Right. Okay, and the thickness of the line. Nice and thick. And we're going to go for a line, it's going to be blue. So let's try this from here. Yeah, done. Draw a line from here, from this corner here. Straight up here. Okay, folks. Sorry about my line slightly out here, just the way that this software is working. Let's try again. Okay, so please ignore that little bit of discrepancy. Right, now let's join these points up. Alright, from here, bring it all the way down to there, and from here, join it up to there. Okay, folks, sorry about this little bit of discrepancy here. This blue line should actually be on the grey line there, just the way the software is, and I'm new to it and how I'm using it. So please forgive me on that. But you should have the shape nice clean onto the grey back grid, nice on here, and also nicely on the line itself here. And there we go, we've got our final shape. As a quick check, what you can do, just quickly change color here to a red. Let's look at this distance. That was 3, our new one should be 9. That was 2, our new one should be 6. That was 6 up here, and the new one should be 18. And if you check them, they are. Job's done, the question's done. So we've drawn an enlargement of the shaded shape here. This is a blue shape. Okay, and if you want to, we can go back to the pen. Okay, got the blue. And we can just shade the shape in. There we go. That's the shape. Okay, folks, I hope this has helped you in this question. Okay, forgive me for my little slight discrepancies. I'm not getting the line exactly right. Just new to the software and trying my best. And see you in the next question. Thank you for joining us.